So today we're actually testing the VIOFO A139 Pro in the rain, because that's what we get here in Vancouver. We don't get real snow too often. But the other big test of high dynamic range and the contrast levels is going through the tunnels. And so we're actually going to be going through the tunnel here, the Cassier tunnel, and actually testing to see how it changes from different various lighting conditions. Now I do prefer to do this test when it's bright light out. Fortunately, this time of year we don't get a whole lot of bright light. We don't get a whole lot of sunshine. So you guys are gonna see how this test came out, and because I obviously can't see it right now because I'm just literally talking to the microphone and recording this. So I hope it comes out amazing.